So guys, welcome back to the channel. So my name is Shankar. So let's understand today about the volume profile, how to work on this, how people use this, and how it can be helpful on the intraday trading. So let's understand this on a very basic level, and how I trick trades on this. Usually, this volume profile is it looks very complicated, but it is not complicated. It's very easy to understand and how it goes. So let's understand the basic anatomy of the volume profile. So this is how it looks of any chart of any given time. So I've taken 15 minutes of time. So this is this area of a volume profile. Actually, the volume profile, the profile is about how the market has reacted. For example, you see a person, so you will be having his profile. So what is he, what is his experience, what it is, what is his profession, and what domain he is working, and what's his age, what is his salary. So this is a typical profile of a person, how he is. Okay, so this is how the same way the profile about the market, about the particular period and the time of a graph. So this is how the profile looks. This is all about the profile, the definition of the profile. So this white area which I have taken, so let's understand where how to take this from the indicator. Basically, there is a indicator kind of from the projection type. If you take the projection type, here you'll see the fixed range volume profile. So I use this. So let's understand the basic one, fixed range volume profile, how it looks. So I've taken the graph here. So I have this is USD INR for 15 minutes chart. So I have particularly marked for the previous day profile. So let's see how to mark it first. I have added a favorite tab here. So this is Feb first, yeah. So this is a previous day's volume profile. So let's hide this to understand in a better way. Yeah. So this is a previous day. This is the this is the value area. This is the value area high, and this is the lowest value area, up and down. This is a down, this is up, and this is value area. Okay. This line, this particular line in the blue color, it is the value area high, and this is value area low. The white one which you are seeing, this is the value area, and the red one is called as POC, point of control. Yeah, this is a point of control. So what you're seeing is, yeah, this is point of control. So this is all about the volume profile acronyms. POC is called as a point of control. VA is called as the value area. This is the up value area. This is the down value area. This particular line is called as value area high. This particular line is called as the value area low. And the white color is the value area. So let's understand this. This white color states the 70% of the trade at a given particular time. This is the previous days on a 50-minute chart. On previous days chart, what you're seeing is the white color is where the trades have done, of about 70% of the trades have done in this area. So this is a better information that you're getting from a market, which you will be understanding that 70% of the time market has spent here. This is a good piece of information that you're getting from this indicator. This is not actually indicator, like what indicator does is it just tells you what market has done. It indicates. It is not the indicator to buy here and sell here. No, buy here, sell here, this line buy, this line sell. No, that's not the way the indicator works. Indicator is just an information, piece of information which is giving to you, which you cannot see through your naked eyes. That is where the indicator is required. The buying and the selling is done based on your analysis. Okay, there is no indicator which tells you ki here you have to buy, here to sell. Just indicates you. So this indicator, volume profile, tells you the overall market, where it has spent the maximum amount, and what is the point where the market has not spent. So this is 70%, rest 30% as spent here. So based on this information, it is easy to understand what will be the reaction when the price meets there. Is it going to be going on a sideways here, or it is going to break out? It depends on the market, right? If it's breakout, then the market has rejected the area where most of the trades are there, most of the buying and selling has happened. If it goes beyond this, goes beyond above, goes beyond down, so it means that the market has not interested in this piece of price. It wants a new price that is required. Means the market wants a new price to take it. So that's why it moves down. So let's see with a graph, with a chart, where it will be easy to understand again. Yeah, this is a USD INR. From the previous day, this is the data which we got from the volume profile. So what has done in today's session is, this is the previous session. From here it is today's session. From here to here is still running. This is a today's session. So I'm not just picking some data and telling you. This is just yesterday's, comparing to the yesterday's and the today's. वो देख के मैं बता रहा हूँ कि क्या हो रहा है हमारा, क्या हुआ है मार्केट आज. So you see this price, it opened today, it opened somewhere, just a moment, I think yeah, it opened here somewhere above the value area high, right? This is the value area, this line you are seeing, the blue one, this is the value area. It somewhere opened there and started moving down, right? It started moving down and it went down, and this is the candle which dropped like a very bearish candle. So now you have to look for the price action. See, when the point of control is been tested and broken, so this is a point of control, right? This is the area where the point of control is there. and this is the area where 70% trade has done, right? Let's put a box. Yeah, you can mark like this, or just you can understand by the previous action. So this is the area where 70% trade was there in the previous session. So coming to the today's session, what it has done is it has broken out. It opened here, started moving down, the market started moving down, it broke the point of control and the overall important zone of which the 70% of the trade was there in the previous session. It broke, means the market has rejected the previous area where most of the traders are there, most of the volume is there. It means the market doesn't want to stay there, it wants to move down. This is the good piece of information that you get from the volume profile. Okay, so this candle, you see this candle, it has rejected and came down. So here the yellow line is where the only 30% of the traders are there. The buying and selling is happening only for 30%. It means that there are no buyers and no sellers. So what happens? Market takes it down. The moment it breaks down, it means the sellers have entered, right? The sellers have entered. Only the sellers have entered. They won the price and they have taken the control. So sellers have taken the control and it started moving down. Here there is no volume, means there are no trades happened. So it moves down. This low volume node, this is called a low volume node also. I'll just write it down. This you see here, this is a low volume node. Okay, low volume node, LVN. You see like this is a high volume node, HVN. This is the low volume node, right? Got it? Yeah. So now what has happened is the market has moved down and broke this. What we can do is, once the POC is broken down and sometimes it tests here, this wick you have seen, this has tested. The wick means the market has tested here and it didn't withstand and it came down. So after this candle, you have to wait for the test. You can go in a 5 minutes time frame also if you want a proper entry kind of. So we can go in a 5 minutes time frame and just look for it. Yeah, this just broke out and this is it. This is a tested this week, no, pin bar. This means the market has tested there and came down. This means this is a confirmation of the bearish candle. So you would have taken the trade here. You would have taken the trade here, somewhere here or here. Market has moved on. Yeah, and again it went up. This is tested again, went down, went down, went down. Done, clear. So you would have taken here your profit based on the overall confirmation that you would have taken out, because this pin bar pretends it wants to move up. Got it? The pin bar, right? This is a confirmation, right? Pin bar means there is no trade here. It wants to move up. So after this pin bar, you would have would have out from the trade. That is a good sign that would have out from this trade, and rest it has went down on a sideways. So let's see on a different locations also. Let's not cherry pick anything. Let's see how has went on a 30th Jan. Here also it's same. Yeah, let's put it on a total session. There is another indicator also. It provides you the overall sessions. That is called as PVP indicator. That is not available on the normal trading view. That requires a paid trading view. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. So in this, so let's see. Yeah. This 31st Jan. So also what we can say is the previous 30th Jan session, it was on an overall sideways. So if you see this profile, and in 31st Jan, what it has done is the market opened inside the value area, right? The market opened inside the value area. It went above to test, which it wanted to move above overall. It wanted to break out from this, but it didn't happen. It went down. So once it breaks the POC, has broken the POC, and it started moving, right? It started moving till where? Till here. You would have taken out like 1, 2, this is overall 3 and 4 moves you're out with 4 moves after the POCs breached, point of control is breached. You would have taken with the 4 moves, 1, 2, 3 and 4, or this 1 is 2, 3 or 4, right? Usually it happens with 4 moves or 3 moves. It depends on your size, the positions, how you take. So this is a very good indicator which we can see. And on a 30th Jan, what market has done is it opened somewhere inside the value area and started moving down, but there was no breakout properly from the overall profile, and then there was again a candle which was the bullish, and again it's a red candle inside value, red candle. Again it started moving down, but still there's no breach of the overall thing. So you would have taken with this candle, putting your stop loss above this or above the POC, because usually it wants to test the POC. So this is a POC line. You would have taken this trade above this POC somewhere here, and there is a good move, or else you would have put another indicator, because I usually use the CPR and the moving averages to understand the confluences, because volume profile only gives you previous day profile. So if you add some more indicators just to understand where actually is there any confluence, means confluence in the sense if 2 or more indicators are indicating the exact trend. If the volume profile is indicating a bearish sign and the other two indicators are also indicating the bearish sign, means that's a confluence, means you got the proper movement and you can take the trade accordingly based on it. So there is a CPR above here, means ki market has a good resistance above this area. So whenever this breaks out and then again it starts testing this, I would have taken trade keeping my stop loss above this. And also the 20 moving average is also going down and the 200 moving is flat, means it's a sign of a downtrend moment. So it started moving. Also, if you want to have a proper target based on that, so you would have taken till the L5 L3 levels also. This is a L5 level, this blue line is an L5 level, so this would be my target, right? This would be my target overall. So let's see this. This was overall sideways on 29 Jan. The market opened somewhere inside the I think, yeah, market opened Friday, sorry, this Monday. So market opened inside the outside the value area, and it started moving up, and this is the CPR here, this was the CPR here, and it didn't move much because this is a low volume area, right? There is no much volumes here, even though it moved from the high value area and went on a consolidation stage, right? So here there is no trade kind of thing, because if you see the other indicators also, even 200 moving here is flat and 20 moving here is moving up, but it didn't reach the R3 and R4 level. This is R3 and this is R4 level, H3 and H4 levels. If there was a good movement and market would have moved from the H4 levels, H5 would be my target. And if you see, the CPR is also a kind of average to wide CPR, and it is outsider CPR. The previous CPR is a kind of little average to narrow, and 29 January's CPR is wider than that, means it is inside the CPR. The previous CPR is inside and bigger than the previous one, so it means you will have a sideways CPR market. So this is how you understand based on the volume profile and using other indicators also for your confirmations. So any questions, any doubts, you can put on a comments, so I'll be free to answer whenever time permits. Thank you, man and all.